So CL, let's look at this on the, let's start with the daily time frame actually. So within this C wave, which is an impulse up of the higher degree 3 in the diagonal. So I've got a 3 in here, 4 in here, then an ABC 1, 2, ABC 3, 4. I think we've got an A, B. I'm looking for this C up now. While we're above last week's low, I'm still looking higher on this time frame in CL. And if I come down to a 4-hour time frame, this move up counts best as 5. So there's an A, WXY for the B into last week's low, providing it holds. We've got all of the technical divergences one would expect, etc., etc. Then we've got to get through this region here on the 4-hour chart. So 70.57, I'd expect to come above there, 71.66 to 73.02, and ultimately 75.28. But looking for a target up around the 78 region, just shy in CL. And again, coming down the time frames, if that's the low, I'm pretty sure we haven't quite got 5 up yet. I think we've got, let's just go down to a 15-minute chart. I think that's the top of the 3, and we've got a 4 back this morning. I'm looking for a move up here to somewhere around the 68.24 to 68.67 region. And then we need to be careful on the pullback that it holds. I'm still long a 50% position from last week, which I held over the weekend. So I'm looking a bit higher to bank that. And then I'll probably come out and restrike that on the pullback in CL. And then day trade wise this morning, if that was the top of the 3, we've got an A, B, C. It's getting a little messy. We didn't quite get down to the 1.0 extension, but we did hit the 123.6 bottom up fib here at this low. And I can count a leading diagonal up while we hold above 67.19 this morning. So what I'm looking for, if I just add another quick set of fibs in here, looking for this to hold actually just around the blue line or where we are now, 67.33 to 67.27, then take out 67.56 on the way up to that 68.36 or higher to finish 5 waves up off the low last week. If we come down much lower than this spike low here, then I would suggest that we are already in the wave 2 back, and this where I've got the 3 is the top of the 1 or A up of the next leg. Okay, let's come over and have a look at NG next. So still looking higher while we maintain above this morning's low, and in fact while we're above 28.82. At the moment we've got an ABC down, and you can see we've hit and held, we spiked through it, but we're pushing back up the 1.0 bottom up fib. So we've got an A, B, 1, 2, 3 into the 1618, 4's held so far where it should. So still looking for that push up to 3012 to 3019 in NG this morning. And there it is zoomed in a little on the hourly. So we've just got an A, B, C down thus far, looking higher. If we start to cascade down a bit, then we have to assume the top's in and look for a sensible place to enter. But I'm looking at using DGAS, so we don't have to be quite as laser precise as we would do using the futures. But up and then down is the up one more level, then the bigger move down is what I'm looking for in NG this morning. Let's just come over to the day trading chart. Yeah. So that 4 needs to really hold that level, to be honest, if that's the 4, and then head on up.